Bought TRD wheels, $80. Apparently one of them has a very fat bead of weld on it. I don't know which one it is, but that's fine. $80 for 3 good wheels. I mean, they're curb rash to hell, but it's fine. We'll touch them up. That's easy. It actually makes a good episode for in the future, you piece of shit. Man, sorry YouTube. Don't demonetize me when I get 1,000+ subscribers.
Man, nobody cares about your TRD.
Watch out with your fingers.
I know, you were about to close that shit. I saw you putting it down.
Wow.
I saw that shit.
Wow.
You were trying to close it like how you close my fingers last
Why did I record that?
How can you record if you're helping me, you idiot?
All right, let's go. I'm at A1 Muffler, same guys that did my muffler, the TRD one. They're gonna do my tires. They're on the cheap. I think this is his car. It looks really clean. And then this green turd. Got some IS300 action over here. Then the Teggy with a shitload of Poland. Holy shit. I need to get one of these. This is probably the, I don't know. I'm gonna get copyrighted for this. It's a shitload of parts. Golly. Oh man, dude.
Did you already order the springs?
I'm not gonna buy springs. I think I'm a
Coilovers.
Yeah,
Money
coilovers.
for coilovers.
I had coilovers before. I had case ports in my Corolla.
Well, you ain't got
He was talking about the valve stem.
These ones right here.
Yeah.
I put them on.
Yeah. See? I told you.
Why were you tripping then?
They weren't there. The guy didn't put them
Yeah,
back
they
on.
weren't there, and I saw that you had the crumbs, and I was like, oh, we got these. What's up? What you got? Huh? No keys? No. On the table. Next to the tank.
Hater.
I'm ugly right now.
What do you mean?
I'm not looking good.
But you gotta tell the Tinder girls.
Are they in my car still?
You gotta show the Tinder girls who you are.
What do you mean?
DC5 Toby, ready
That's
to
not
mingle.
Me. That's not me. Man.
He's single, ready to mingle.
Look at my IG if you want to set pictures. Don't look at me.
Yeah, bro, he was talking hell. Goes and fucks his car up first run. Or second run or something like that.
Looks clean, dude. I'm sorry. I know I'm filling up at Arco. Fuck you. Fuck, man. Looks one huge shout out to Jordan and his friend at A1 Muffler. Really love the new setup. It's way better than what the OEM wheels are. Sorry, this is really short. I got a little bit off track with the TRD wheels. I actually was working on them like 24/7 for the past 3 days, and I was trying to get them down to bare aluminum so that I could get the tires mounted on before today. And I got about 90% of the old paint and the powder coat layers off. You can still see in the video that there's still majority of there's still some stuff on it, but we'll get to that most likely tomorrow. Today's Thursday. It's 11 p.m. I need to upload this video because I've been consistent with my Friday uploads. Just I just didn't want to not upload something. I wanted to upload something. So yeah, we found these wheels at a tire shop in South San Jose, close to the South San Jose pick and pull, and we just saw them, and I was like, I mean, I need something for the Celica for now. The Celica wheels, the OEM GTS, are 16 by 6.5, which are really, really tiny and really skinny. If they were 17 from factory, maybe with like 17 by 7, I think they would have been good. But I feel like 16 with the made with the TRD kit, it's really small. So I just felt like buying these for now. $80. You really can't complain for $80. I mean, these are TRD wheels. The only downside was one center cap was missing, so I ended up buying another one, a new one, off Amazon. Let me see if I have the. Oh yeah, here it is. In case anyone needs it, this is the part number. So hopefully the camera could pick it up. That's the part number. They have it listed as a Scion TC center cap, but it's like, wait, I thought those wheels were originally meant for the 9th gen Corolla, which is funny. But yeah, we got those wheels, and they were originally asking a lot more with the tires, but the tires that they had were 225, 45, 18. So the guy kept telling me, these aren't going to fit your Celica. These aren't going to fit. These aren't going to fit. It's like, okay, take them off. I could buy them without the tires. And so he was asking, like, I think it was 120 where he started. No, 150 is where he started. And then he's all showing me one of them has a repair on it, a weld. So they welded one of them because it had a crack, but it looks okay after I touched it up. I got it to look a little bit decent, and he pretty much worked his way down, all the way down to $80. And I was like, why is he going so down? And so I just threw him a crazy offer. I was like, I'll give you 60 for all of them. He's like, nope, 80. I was like, all right, here's $80. Let me take them off your hands. So yeah, incredible find, awesome find. I'm really happy with it. So I hit up my friend Jordan. He's the same guy who did my TRD muffler, the one who fixed the tip, repaired the hanger, and installed it. Awesome guy, cool guy. Thank you very much again for doing mounting the. Well, it was his friend who did it, but still. Anyways, thank both of them. I'm happy. So yeah, we are going to paint the wheels, maybe a graphite pearl or something along the edge, like I don't know how to explain it. Maybe I was thinking something like this, but a pearl, like I want to see it sparkle, like just sparkle. And so we're thinking about doing that. I'm thinking about doing that. I'm gonna buy the paint, and I will have one whole week before Toyotafest. We are going to leave. So I was speaking with my friend. We're going to leave most likely Friday midday, and we're gonna get there Friday night. I do want to set something up. I know there's a couple of you people from SoCal that follow me. I've also shipped a couple of things out to SoCal, so if you guys want to meet up, hang out, talk, get to know each other, maybe shoot some photos, let me know, shoot me a DM. I would like to get something set up because I will be going to Toyotafest next week. I won't be in the show, but I won't be in the thing, but I'll be attending it in person, and I'll be there. Hopefully I get to see some of my subscribers. It'll be a nice thing. What else before I close up here? Yeah, so I forgot his name. but he invited me to Cars and Coffee in Modesto. I think his name was XR Solo. I don't know his name, but I think that's his username on Instagram. Yeah, he told me to go to Cars and Coffee Saturday. Yeah, so I will be attending Cars and Coffee Modesto. I don't know the exact place. I know one of my buddies here is gonna go to it, so I'm gonna go with him. We're probably gonna roll out here together, and he'll let me know where to go. But yeah, so I will be at Cars and Coffee Modesto Saturday, but I will be taking my Corolla XRS. So hopefully I'll see some of you guys there. And I think that's gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry for the short content this week. It's just I've been a little bit busy and a little bit whatever, you know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit that bell notification button, and thank you for watching.